Alright. I don't got no friends. I don't got no friends. You know what I mean? I got supporters, people on my side and people on the other side. I ain't gonna blow up nobody's name, but I will say that as far as that Vibe interview, and everybody was saying, you know, everybody that was involved.
Cause I ain't really knowing if you could flow or not, so let's do this shit like that.
Knows what happened. And everything is there. If you got a brain, just read everything over. And read my reply, read their reply.
This is for my riders, only for my riders, for the riders. Let me see you throw your hands up. I bet you scream like last year. Best don't come to California, we don't want your buster ass here. Holler my name, nigga, you riding and scream. Must be a thug with a heart, but be a part of my team. It seems we got a problem. We ain't let no women in the feminine side. It's been denied, time to give them a try. But you and bad boy, what that is? Busters through Brooklyn, look at my shots to Queens. Cause I'm looking for Little Sean, that bitch ass fiend. I bet you scream like last year. Best don't come to California, we don't want your buster ass here. Look at what we got, Miss Billy badass, running around packing double glocks. So all you niggas be wrong, from the dust to the dawn. We might trip, but I dare you text the fuck around with storm. We outlaws, I said it a minute, and when you see me live on TV, it's strictly represented. Then let me hear you scream. This is for my riders, only for my riders, for the riders. Let me see you throw your hands up. This is for my riders, only for my riders, for the riders. Let me see you throw your hands up.
I'm ballin'. She say that and she tell us both she love us. Only one of us believe that.
This is for my riders, only for my riders, for the riders. Let me see you throw your hands up.
Believe that.
I bet you scream like last year. Let's don't come to California, we don't want your buster ass here.
All I need, just a gang of folks, just me, my laptop, and my notebook. Call that my triangle offense. That's all I need to keep bringing this dough in. Yes, I'm banging and I'm boasting. It's a